This is where we slept last night under a tarp and it didn't rain. But there were some clouds that made it look like it was gonna rain. I just got my stern line off the rock. I gotta get my anchor line up. And the boat's all put together. You can see right there, there's a wind line. The wind's going right out the canyon, just like I want it to. So that's got me moving fast. Maybe got the boat put together in 10 minutes. Dropped my sleeping bag in the water for the first time this trip. Just the end of it, so it'll dry out. Nora's looking for her rock and I'm talking fast because I want to catch the wind, so I'm out of here. I stopped for coffee, it was blowing, and now the water has taken on the scary cop. It's dangerous trying to film in these gusts. That was just 15 seconds ago, and now here it is calm again. It'll kick up, so I can't be filming. I want to show you what it looks like, but I need one hand for the tiller and one hand for the sheet, so. Made it off that point right there where I had my lunch, just zigzagged up here. Looks like it's calming down a little bit. I just got my head smacked by the boom and we were really getting knocked over good, so I decided to take a break, throw the rock for the dog. I'd like to get around this point here, and then there's a cove I can go hide out in for the night and get rained on. I don't think I'm going to make it to where I wanted to today, but we made good progress. We'll be about 3 miles from the van, so we can get out tomorrow. My little canyon. Not feeling as good as I thought I would about it. It's still blowing 20 to 30. But at least there's no wind waves, it's just blowing straight down the canyon. Better than being out there, I guess. Kind of want to just put in the last 3 miles to the van or to one of the canyons deeper in by the van so it's not so nasty. It did calm down just a minute ago, and I'm thinking maybe that once this storm finally blows in, it's gonna calm down and just pour rain. so I could sit in here in some calm water and set up the tarp, or it's just gonna be gusty and miserable all night. Probably safer than going back out there though. So we'll stay here for one more night, 3 more miles to the van. That was scary. It's the most exciting, scary. I think I said that the other day, but that was really it. That was, we got bashed. This thing busted. It was just being held together by glue. I don't know, I'm gonna run out of memory, so I'm taking pictures from here on out. I'll tell you the full story later on. Here's to being tied to a rock in a late October rainstorm. Sleeping in a canoe under a tarp. We gotta go into town and get some bones for the dog. Some fuel for the stove and some shower and who knows what else. Real food. Ah! Actually, the trout was pretty good. I know, we're gonna get bones, we're gonna get bones, we're gonna get bones, yeah.